What is going on, guys? Welcome back. So, we got this package from Boost Auto. I kind of took a peek at it already. I was too excited, couldn't wait to make a video. But this is a special package. They sponsored me some cab lights. I'm super excited to see them. They should be the sequential switchback with a startup sequence. I think that's what it is. So, let's see what all we got. I got a couple keychains. We got what are these called? Drink sleeves? I think that's what they are. It's really cool. If you want to hide your beer, but I don't drink, so my daughter making noises. Got a couple decals from them. Really good packaging too. Oh, look at that. They know I like hats. That's sick. Fix it up right away. Ooh, look at that. They gave me a sweater too. This thing is sick. Should I put it on? What do you think? Camera person, should I put it on?
Sure.
Might as well, eh? Oh, I'm excited, man. Oh, this thing is so cold. It was outside in the truck. This thing's good. Okay, this package is getting better and better every second. Look at that. I like it. That's cool. Well, here's the main package. I mean, if they would send me just this, I'd be so happy. But there's more to it. Check this out. So, these are sequential switchback with startup sequence. So, yeah, that's right. They got the control module. And we got a couple wiring, couple fuses. Put this aside. So, here it is, the little package. Let's open it up. We should hood stack my truck. Should we? I need another hood. So, I'll actually be painting them white because I don't have anything black on my truck. So, we're gonna have to play around with it, tape it up nicely, and sand it down and paint them. Man, these are sick. They're all cold. They're all outside. So I'm guessing this one goes on this side and this one goes on this side. That's pretty cool. Got some hardware. What else do we have here? We got the module. I guess that's for the startup sequence or for the turn signals. Now these are turn signals, right? Did I read that? Yeah, sequential switchback. I'm happy either way, so that's gonna be pretty cool. Got a bunch of wiring, all that. Sweet. This thing's comfy, I like it. I guess let's get to taping, or I guess I should let him warm up. Yeah, let him warm up a little bit and then we'll tape him up. Meanwhile, I got some headlights that I can work on. I got these painted. I painted them. Turned out pretty sick. Now we have to mask it up a little bit, and it's gonna be a dual color. I don't know if I'm gonna show it on my channel or not. This is not for my truck, it's just for one of my buddies. His truck, so. Yeah, that's about it probably for now. Then I'll start taping it up and then we'll continue the video when I start painting them in a couple of days. As soon as I start painting those white. So then I'll do everything at once. Sweet, well, stay tuned, I guess. I'm not going to be posting it just yet. I'll probably post a TikTok video, but not the YouTube. YouTube's gonna come out in a couple days, maybe a couple weeks. All depends how things go. So yeah, stay tuned. So we got some new cab lights. They're all color matched. Kind of excited to install them. Yeah, we'll be installing them right away, so let's get to it, I guess. We went off-roading yesterday, so my truck is filthy like crazy. Look at all that. Had my windows down. That's disgusting. So we have to take the sun visors off. Gotta take the centerpiece out and take out my pillars. I usually don't bring down the whole thing and just take it out, and usually have pretty good access to it. So just the one bolt on this guy. Oh, this one's even loose. So you don't get Amazon stuff. Anyways, yeah, let's get to it. Take all that down and I'll show you guys the wiring process. Stay tuned. So I pretty much have everything done. A couple hours later, I didn't put anything back together. Show you guys how it's all done. So you got your S module here. I got my 2 wires going underneath to the driver's side. I did have to watch the Boost Auto video. These guys are with the startup sequence and they're sequential switchbacks. So they still plug into your factory plug, which would be right here. That's a connector. And if you would have just the pure white ones or the pure amber ones, you would just use just plug and play. But I wanted something different, and they sent me something different, I guess. And it has the startup sequence. Uh-oh, something's not right. I'll have to take a look at that. Looks like low voltage or something. Ooh, I like that. I like what I see. Took me a minute though. Oh my goodness, that's sick. Holy, I love this. So I had an issue where these clips, these little guys, they didn't squeeze all the way and it didn't go all the way through the wire. So yeah, that was the issue. Had a really bad ground connection, but now, as you can see, she is perfectly fine. Dude, I love this thing. I love it. Okay, so I think if I fire it up, it should give me the startup sequence. I don't know why it's not working, but let's see. There we go. Ooh, I like that. Okay, that's so nice. Now obviously we have to listen to the cold start now. It's amazing. This thing is sick. Boost Auto really kicked up their game, man. That's awesome. I love it. Look at all the LEDs. Look at that. Oh man, that's nice. Well, anyways, I'll get her tidied up, and I don't know, it's kind of dirty today to take some pictures. We'll have to find a better day. Everything's melting, and yeah, I'll get all my wires straightened out. Got all the wiring hanging. So, yeah, just gotta finish up with the roof liner. That's it, I guess. Sweet. Yeah, let's get to it. I had to find a little darker spot, but here she is with all the Boost Auto lights. Pretty nice and bright. Let's turn the turn signal on. Check that out. It's sequential. That's something different. I like that. That's awesome.